In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails using Brevo. We'll walk through creating a campaign and choosing recipients so you can reach many contacts at once with confidence. Start by logging in to your Brevo account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the marketing section, then open campaigns. This is where all your email outreach lives. Click Create Campaign, and when you're asked for the type, choose Email. That tells Brevo you're setting up an email campaign rather than anything else. Next, you'll be prompted to name your campaign. Pick a clear, descriptive name, something that makes it easy to recognize later, like a date or the purpose of the message. Giving campaigns good names helps with tracking and organization. After you've entered the name, click Create Campaign to move forward. Now it's time to add who will receive the message. Click Add Recipients. If you already have a list of contacts prepared in Brevo, select that list. Lists are the fastest way to send a message to many people at once because they bundle contacts you've grouped earlier. If you don't have a list yet, that's okay. Choose the option to add individual contacts, then click Add Contacts. Type each contact's email address to add them. As you add people, you'll see their names appear, which is a helpful way to confirm you're picking the right contacts. Once your contacts are visible, select the email addresses you want to include by checking the boxes next to them. You can check as many as you need. This is how you define your bulk audience. Every email you check will be part of this campaign send. Take a moment to double-check spelling, make sure you've included everyone you want, and remove anyone who shouldn't receive this message. Accuracy here saves time and prevents mistakes later. When your selections are set, you've effectively built your bulk recipient list for this campaign. From here, you're ready to proceed with your email outreach to all the checked contacts in one go. Remember, the goal is to make sure your campaign name and recipient selection are clear, organized, and intentional so your message reaches the right inboxes. And that's it. You've just learned how to send bulk emails using Brevo by creating a campaign, adding recipients, and selecting the contacts you want to reach. If this video was helpful, leave a comment, hit like, and click the subscribe button for more straightforward tutorials like this one.